honorable ministers, ladies and gentlemen, it's a distinct honor to be here today in front of such a distinguished audience. Thank you for your participation in the Athens International Investor Summit, a forum designed to foster dialogue between the Hellenic Republic and the global investment community. Growthfund, the national fund of Greece, has entered in a new era of institutional and strategic investments. It is evolving into a full-scale sovereign wealth fund, entrusted with an expanded mandate. Through the professional management of public assets, our mission is to improve the quality of life of our fellow citizens by creating sustainable economic and social value for future generations. Today, our mission evolves further with the launch, I have the honor to announce, of the Hellenic Innovation and Infrastructure Fund. The macroeconomic stability outlined by Minister Papachristou is a fundamental prerequisite for the success of this unique initiative in Greece. Initially, Growthfund has set up by combining the expertise of the private sector and the national mandate to transform the public assets into national drivers of development. Throughout nearly a decade of operations, Growthfund, now fully integrating the Hellenic Republic Asset Development and the Hellenic Financial Stability Funds, has delivered a remarkable multi-billion euros of transactions that have significantly contributed to the Greek economy's stabilization and recovery. Today, Growthfund manages nominal assets of 12 billion euros and is active across 10 diverse sectors: banking, energy, water management, airports, ports and marinas, transportation and logistics, food markets, postal services, and real estate. Leveraging this legacy of our team's expertise and operational excellence, we believe it's now the right moment to expand our footprint from the existing asset base I just described you to the so-called new economy. Therefore, the Growthfund, the National Fund of Greece, evolves on what described before in a sovereign wealth fund by adding to its portfolio the Hellenic Innovation and Infrastructure Fund, which is, in effect, its new investment arm. Following the successful advancement of our existing funds, such as Festos in technology, ELCAC in defense, and soon Pharos in AI, this new initiative is positioning us as a hub of innovation and strategic investment. We create an integrated sovereign wealth platform with enhanced corporate governance, transparency, and operational excellence. Prior to presenting further details on these particular initiatives we're announcing today, it is important to highlight that the establishment of this new fund has been realized through the strategic alliance with one of the world's leading investment firms, BlackRock. BlackRock Trust in Greece has demonstrated by its close collaboration with the Greek state and the Growthfund, and enhances the institutional credibility of our new initiative. A proof to this acknowledgement is highlighted by the presence of Philip Hildebrand, Vice Chairman of BlackRock, and Adebayo Ogunlensi, Chairman and CEO of GIP. The new fund we are announcing today has several key characteristics that make it truly unique. Primarily, it is the first of its kind in Greece, a catalyst designed to attract foreign direct investments into the dynamic sectors on what called new economy. Secondly, it's built on a structure with the highest standards of governance. Thirdly, it applies a modern partnership by co-investment strategy where we participate with a minority stake. Fourthly, it focuses on strategic projects of the new economy in sectors such as green economy, green energy, blue economy, and digital infrastructure. And last but not least, it is designed not only to deliver, of course, strong commercial performance, but also to serve as an amplifier that generates quality jobs for our society and our citizens. At that moment, I am personally particularly proud that distinguished Greek professionals who have built outstanding careers abroad have chosen to join the fund's board of directors and return to Greece for this purpose. I see all of them here, and I'm really very glad. Their decision reflects confidence in the positive outlook of the Greek economy and stands as a powerful endorsement of the country's efforts to attract top talent back home. Growthfund, as a sovereign wealth fund from now on, is already exploring a number of large-scale new economy projects, amounting to over than 20 billion euros, with focus on circular economy, renewable energy, data centers, agri-tech, biotech, and water management, to name a few of them. This newly established investment vehicle launches its operation with initial capital of 303 million euros. The fund's first investment is expected to be realized in course of the next few months, with a broader ambition to leverage a 1 billion euro investment in the Greek economy in the coming years. In conclusion, Growthfund's Hellenic Innovation and Infrastructure Fund will serve as a catalyst for capital mobilization, connecting local projects with international investors, as an amplifier for innovative projects in the dynamic sectors of the new economy, and as a trusted partner with global standards of governance. In this defining moment, Growthfund has already become a trusted partner in the global investment ecosystem, with an active participation in major networks such as the One Planet Sovereign Wealth Funds and the International Forum on Sovereign Wealth Funds. In fact, in 2026, we will have the honor of hosting the annual General Assembly in Greece, welcoming the world's leading sovereign wealth funds, a powerful vote of confidence in our country. We are also privileged to have with us today Lawrence Janowicz and Duncan Bonfield, who lead these esteemed institutions. Honorable Ministers, your presence at the Athens International Investor Summit is a powerful testament of the country's political commitment to becoming an attractive international investment destination. At Growthfund, we are determined to translate this institutional will into specific investment actions with measurable results and long-term positive impact for the country, being a strong catalyst for Greece's development journey towards 2030. Ladies and gentlemen, today's summit brings together those who shape policy, those who realize projects, and those who fund the future of the economy. We invite you to be part of this new chapter for our country. Thank you very much.